Hello and welcome to the second last project on my personal projects advent calendar. Today is going to be a comparatively short video again because I do not have much left of this project. It was just built on a breadboard for some testing and then I eventually dropped it before it became anything. But this was supposed to be a little 4-bit CPU built from TTL logic gates. And what you can see here is the construction that I've had at some point. I don't think I ever continued after this. So what you can see here on the left is the processor ROM emulated by an ATmega 8, but it simply behaves like a parallel ROM. It was just a convenient way for me to not have to use an EEPROM or something. Next to that you can see the LEDs for the program counter. Those are connected in parallel with the address input of the ROM. The opcode simply shows 4 of the 8 bits the ROM outputs per memory address, and these 4 bits represent the opcode. The CPU wasn't really able to do much. It was just able to, I think, set registers to a predetermined value, and it could do jumps. I mean, there aren't many chips here, obviously. The CPU, it's not even a CPU at this point. Anyways, and then in the top right you can see the clock generator, which is just an any 555 generating a steady clock. In this clip you can see a simple programming running that just cycles through the following steps. It sets register 1 to all bits set, then it sets register 2, then it clears register 1 and then it clears register 2, and then it jumps back to the beginning of the program. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow for the last project. Bye!